What's up, you guys? It is your girl Brittany Nicole, and I'm back again with another video. And today I have a extra pop out girl you better slay get ready with me for back to school. You know, I'm sorry to break it to you girls, but back to school is around the corner. My school starts in 2 weeks, I believe. I go back to school on the 25th, and I'm not ready for college and class again. Like, college is stressful. If you guys want a college advice video, let me know in the comments down below. I can really do that for you guys. But this is the look we're gonna be doing. Something real extra, real cute, you know, pop out, let the girls and boys know that this summer we did not play, we came to slay. So yeah, you want to let the ladies know what they were missing while you were away and while you were living your best life this summer. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pop out. You guys want like a realistic everyday, like, this is definitely not something I would wear to school every day, but I feel like for the first day of school I like to wake up early, you know, get all cute and pop out. You know, the new boys be at school and stuff. You want to have a good first impression. But that's another thing, when you come to class, you want to have a good first impression. You want to look your best, because teachers really be judging you. Like, they really be judging you on the low. Anyways, so yeah, if you guys would like to see how to get this look, please continue watching. All right, y'all, so to start off the get ready with me, we're gonna begin with hair. Your girl sleeps in a bonnet, as you should too. A lot of people get upset because they have dry, crusty hair, dry, crusty edges, but it's like, girl, you don't even wrap your stuff up at night. Keep it nice and silky. So last night I washed my unit and put it on, so I'm just gonna take it down. It's still a little damp, but we're just gonna freshen up the curls. I keep my edges tied down because this is a frontal wig and I want my hair to be laid, so I'm gonna keep my edges tied down while I do my makeup. All right, so this is Dsoar hair Peruvian natural wave in 26, 24, 24 with a 20-inch frontal. I custom made this unit myself. I sewed it up, you know, stitched it up real cute and stuff by myself, and I plopped it on last night and I tied it up, put it on, went to sleep, and now we're here. So we are going to show you how I prep my hair for the day. Okay, so literally all we're gonna use on this hair is water, Hawaiian Silky Miracle Worker 14-in-1. This is just what I had. My mom used to use this in my hair when I was younger. It does good stuff for your hair, so I'm just gonna do this because I want to keep the natural wave of the hair and have it look like effortless, because you know we're gonna do an extra look. So I feel like for school, the way to get away with being extra is like be extra but have something that looks effortless. So like if your makeup's on 10, like your hair has to look semi like, okay, like, all right, like it's cute, but like you could have like straightened it or curled it. Or your outfit has to be a little like laid back so that you don't look like you're doing. The hair is really full and nice in texture, not too much shedding, but I did get some. But this is affordable hair, so can't really be too mad at it. And yeah, it's perfect for back to school. All right, so now that the hair is all saturated, I'm gonna take my Hawaiian Silky and spray it out of here. It's like a thick conditioner texture, so put that in there. I'm just gonna lather it up. I want to use a cream instead of like some type of heavy duty mousse or gel, because I want this hair to keep its like a soft texture. I want it to be movable and have some like, you know, I just want it to be cute and not stiff. So I didn't want to put gel in here because this hair is wavy and it's not curly, so I don't really have to worry about too much frizz. And another key is after you put this stuff in it, just leave it alone. Don't touch it, stop manipulating it, just let it dry up the way you put the product in. So I'm just gonna spray more of this. So for the top, I'm gonna use this Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. Really simple, and I'm just gonna put a little bit in here. My mousse is broken, like it's just water right now, so I'm just gonna rub it in and put it up top like this. This is just gonna keep the hair going in a downward motion because We don't want to look fluffy. And another thing that I did last night when I was making the unit, I just hit the part with a hot comb real quick. This is how long the 26-inch hair is on me, and if I were to straighten the hair, it would be down to like my hip bone, and I'm pretty tall. I'm like 5'9", so I really enjoy the length. I'm just gonna let it sit and dry, and we're gonna start with makeup. We're gonna grab some Vaseline. Moisturize your lips under your lip gloss, ladies, because that's just nasty. Like, I hate that feeling. Just straight lip gloss on dry lips, like, ew. And then I'm just gonna take some Kate brand red lipstick that I got like when I was like, how old? I don't know. But I'm gonna use this and just tap it on my bottom lip to add some color. Blend it in with my finger. Charlie, you bit me finger. And then I'm gonna go in with some lip gloss from the beauty supply store. And that concludes the makeup portion of this video. So I'm gonna back y'all up, take this scarf off, show you the hair and the completed look, and then we'll be done. We gonna untie you, girl. We gonna untie you, girl. I really did that on this look. I was really nervous because I don't really wear eyeshadow like that, so I was improvising. You know, I'm not gonna come on here and act like I know what I'm doing. Like, I did it as I went, and it turned out pretty good. All right, so this is the completed look. You know, a little. Why does my stomach keep growling? Girl, I just fed you. Jeez. So I want this to show you guys what this hair looks like dried. So I just grabbed my blow dryer and diffuser, and I'm just gonna put this on medium heat and medium air or high air and diffuse this real quick so y'all can see the hair in its natural state. Alright, so this is the hair, mostly dried. It is so cute, y'all. Like, this is the hair. Like, this is the texture. So beautiful. This Peruvian hair is clutch. Like, I think this may be my favorite texture that I've ever gotten. Like, I doubt I'll ever be buying Body Wave again, because this hair is so easy. Like, you can get the curly texture, and then it's also like easy to straighten too if that's what you like. So I really love this hair. It will be linked down below for you guys to check out if you guys would like. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that you will not miss when I upload. I love you guys so much. We are so close to 50,000. Hopefully I get this up before 50,000. We're like 2K away right now, and I just want to say thank you guys so much. The blessings are just pouring over, and I just want to thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. All these opportunities come my way. I wouldn't be able to get any of them without you, so thank you. If you guys like this hair, remember it's down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
DC on the track, boy.